Well, this is my grandmother's 93% efficiency Bryant natural gas furnace. My other grandma has a 4-ton temp star air conditioner with a old Lennox gas furnace, but it's not running right now. The noise in the background is the dishwasher because right over me is the kitchen, and I'm in the crawl space. It's a very large crawl space, so I'm a smaller person, so I don't really have trouble. See, there are the flue pipes. That one is return, and that one is exhaust. So, and that's just the people walking over me. See, it's a Bryant. Ignore the noise, again. There's the air purifier, see? And there is the Bryant fan coil. And the air conditioner is a 2-ton Goodman air conditioner. Hold on, let's go closer. See, that's exhaust, that's return. There's the airflow, there's the fan coil, there's the line set from the 2006-13 Series. Oh, that's not good. Moves. From the 2006-13 Series Goodman. And the Goodman's way back there. See that wall? It's right outside there. And the flue pipes go. See, you can see it right there. There's a little opening right up there. You can't see it, but 2-ton. There's the energy guide. You really can't see that. Oh, thank God it stopped. Now there's the dishwasher empty. And this thing is on, it's just shut off, literally. I went out to get my camera from my car, and it just shut off. And there is the condensate from there. There's the condensate from the furnace. It goes back, and there's a condensate pump right back there. I'm holding a handy cat laser, if you're wondering. It's for my cat. Or my grandma's cat, actually. I have one of these dumb things for my cat. See? Bryant. Those are my cousins. Little multi-tool. Way under there is a return air plenum. And then back here is, let me see, right under the stairs, see? And there's the main floor, and there's the sub-basement. Right there is the return air plenum. See, there's it right outside. You know what, just for the heck of it, let me do a startup video in a bit. Here it is, Bryant, that's Bryant. There's the flue pipes. I'll make a video of the flue pipes outside and this thing starting up. Yeah. And actually, there's a fan coil. Well, this is a tighter space. Right there is the evaporator coil pad. See? There's the evaporator coil pad. Telephone. There's an old one and a brand new cordless phone at my grandma's. But yeah, Bryant Plus 90T gas furnace from 2000. The Goodman condenser from 2006, and the Goodman condenser is a straight coolant. It replaced a train that's from the 60s or 70s when this house was built. I believe from the 60s, 68. Remember, evaporator coil, Bryant air purifier. It's by Bryant too, see? There's the Bryant Plus 90T 2-stage gas furnace. Flue pipes, return, exhaust, condensate, and the 16 by 25 filters. It's a 2-ton. Thanks for watching.